Hi, how you doing? Welcome back. On the menu today, we're going to make some salt and pepper wings. Very, very tasty, super easy. Just going to take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's get started. So I've got a mixing bowl here, and I've got my chicken wings in there. We're going to add a few dry bits to this now. So first of all, we're going to add some sorry, I'm going mad here. Cornstarch or corn flour, which is the same thing. Garlic powder. Salt. Quite a lot of salt. And by the way, I'll put all the ingredients in the text below. Some chili flakes, which is optional, but I think is wonderful. And black pepper. Now I've got black peppercorns that I've put into my grinder, so this is quite chunky. It's powdered, but you know, it's quite coarse, and plenty of that. Simply, I've got my glove on, we're going to get in and give this a mix. See you in a moment. Okay, so they're done. What we need to do now is get some plastic wrap or shrink wrap over that, put it in the fridge. We can move on to the next step. Okay, so we're going to make a little batter here. So I've got 1 cup of cornstarch or corn flour, and then half a cup of wheat flour. Here I've got 5 spice powder. There's a tablespoon there. Let's just give that a little mix. Okay, and then what we're going to do now is we're going to add cold water. Use nice cold water and start with just a little and go. A little bit more and go. Okay, great. So that was about 100 ml of water in there. Going to mix this a little bit more, then I'm going to let it sit for about 4 to 5 minutes, and it will thicken just slightly. Okay, so we now got our batter just there and our chicken here. Now I've got some oil cooking. I've got like sort of 3 or 4 centimeters of sunflower oil. You could be using a different oil. Getting that nice and hot. And what we need to do is, I'll just show you one as an example. We're just going to get that in there like that. Let it drip off. And that one is ready to fry. See you at the cooker. Okay, so let's go. I'm just dipping on the other side here. Just out of shot. Draining it off. Here we go. Now you can hear that the oil is not crazy hot. You can see it's bubbling nicely, but not going absolutely berserk. That's where you want it. These are going to go in for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, and then we're ready. And it's important to do these in batches so you're not crowding the pan. Otherwise they'll just stick together, they just become like one clump. But these are looking fabulous. Okay, absolutely wonderful, check them out. They're going to go onto some paper towel, kitchen towel, to drain off any excess oil. And then I'm going to repeat the process with the other guys. And I'll see you at the next step. Okay, and there you go, they're done. Now what I like to do now is I like to get some more black pepper over there. That coarse ground stuff that I got. More salt. Some more chili flakes. And then I've got some sesame oil. Nice kind of nutty flavour oil, which we're going to drizzle over. And that's ready to serve. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.